Welcome back to the show, everybody. Kicking around the LeSueur, Minnesota Tractor Show once again. And I've got a walk around for y'all. It's not the type that I usually do, but I think it's very much worth doing because it not only shows how far we've come technologically, but also how much we've lost style-wise. So we've got this old horse-drawn sickle mower. All it says is EUREKA mower. And yeah, it's an odd design in the fact that the mower straddles the sickle. Typically the sickle's always off to one side so that you're not straddling, or you can get extended reach, what have you. But yeah, this just cuts it and the mower drives right over it. We've got our wooden paddles that kind of funnel it to windrow it to the center once it's cut. There's your sickle bar at the front. They've got the sickle removed for safety, of course, but the more you look at this, the more you see lots of little intricacies in the castings. Look at that little heart shape right there. They put that in over here too. I don't know if that's functional or if that was just put there for decoration. Look at the drive wheels, okay, ground driven. So we've got your cast steel wheel. Look at the curves in these spokes down toward the center hub. Look at the gearing that's machined in. Look at all the ornate shape work that was done around that rim. Over to the other side, this drive wheel, same way. It's rather difficult to cast curves and spokes like that and have that casting fully cure and not crack a spoke. Just the workmanship that went into making those pieces. We've got cast iron seat, says EUREKA as well. Quite a lot of extra diamond shaped holes in there. Spring bar for the seat, of course. Here's our foot plate. We get a 100G, it looks like right there, but the patent dates range from 1880 to 1885. Very, very cool. So the drive mechanism, of course, we've got the gearing that goes around the inside of the wheels, drives this pinion right here. That's attached to this cross shaft. Look at this. Flip up cups for oiling. So cool. Cross shaft comes over to this bearing block. More flip up oiling cups. Another one up here. But yeah, this pinion's driven off of this wheel as well. So it looks like solid shaft, but this lever right here would be your in or out engagement. You see it would slide that gear side to side on the shaft. So when you wanted to power the sickle, you would lift up on that. That would slide this gear over and engage those tooth cogs. So your wheels would be driving your pinion shaft, which then drives this main gear, which drives then this smaller gear. The smaller gear drives this crank right here. So your that's kind of a pitman arm is offset on that. So that starts to wobbling that forward and back. That arm transfers your forward and back movement onto this 90-degree pivot, and that 90-degree pivot is what powers the sickle bar side to side. Simple yet effective. And it looks like these two wooden levers right here in conjunction with this foot pedal is also the raise and lower for the sickle section up here at the front. Very simple design, yet very effective. They've got like a cam here with a lift chain. Got some rollers back here on those. We've even got the old oil cup there at the base of the seat pan bracket. But very, very interesting old mower. And when they say that we just don't build them like we used to, this is what they mean. So hope you all enjoyed the walk around. Oh, and I was going to show you this too. Look at this cast iron gear guard. It even has EUREKA cast into it. Just the more you look at this thing, the more you see. Really a neat piece of history. Thanks for watching, everybody.